Hello everyone, welcome to our Hessan knowledge channel. During the flat lamination process, many customers ask me one question. Is it dust removal very important? Actually, this answer is simple. Take applying a protective film on the mobile phone as an example. If without a dust removal, do you think a good effect can be achieved for the protective film on the mobile phone? And the answer is absolutely not. So here's the same principle to our lamination line. And if there are so many dust on our board, and there will be so many problems arising after laminating, such as lumps and water wrinkles, bubbles, and so on. In order to solve this problem, our Hessan laminating line have special light create 4 kinds of dust cleaning machines. Today we will introduce the first dust cleaning machine. That's the double-side cleaning machine. Let's take a look at this machine. As you can see, this machine has 2 anti-static static dust removal rollers, and the diameter is 190 mm, and this design is specialized for cleaning the big particle dust. And on this way, here is a rocker, and this rocker is held up to control the board's thickness. And here, on top, there are 3 suction inlets, and on the bottom is also 1 suction inlet. For this suction inlet, we can collect the dust collectors and also the central dust systems. And with this system, we can remove all the dust out. So much for today's dust cleaning machine. For more information about our dust cleaning machine, please keep eyes on our Hessan knowledge channels. See you next time. Bye.